I think they just want to find things that I do wrong. You don't like guac, do you? Where's he at?
You just asked me if I liked it.
We're not going to drag this show out.
Okay. Welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen, episode 27. This is going to be a little Mexican fiesta week. I'm just going to show you that you can be on keto and still enjoy foods that you love. So I notice all the time that like guacamole is always okay, avocados are okay while you're on keto. So I'm going to show you how I make my
I know where Danny learns how to talk with his hands.
guacamole. And I'm a little hungover today.
Yeah,
You're really fun evening last night. No, I'm not hungover every day.
Eric, is she hungover every day?
No.
4 days.
Shut up.
4 out of 7.
You know you had a good night when you come home and you're missing 2 nails. So tomorrow I'm going to get a whole new set. So today, right now I have 3 avocados mushed up in here. The minced garlic kind of made everything wet in here. So I have onion powder, salt, pepper, and minced garlic that I'm going to add into here. You know, if people can just do whatever they want with guacamole, it's kind of like a beef stew. You know what I mean? You can put whatever vegetables you want in a beef stew or a beef stew. You can do whatever you want in guacamole. So this is my preference. I have chopped onion and chopped cilantro and chopped jalapeño right here to give it a little spice. And I'm going to put in there. I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice. I went to a Mexican restaurant one time over on Las Vegas Boulevard, and they made their guacamole, and they put lemon juice, lime juice, and orange juice, but I don't want to do all that right now. Like a teaspoon of sour cream.
Oh.
And like a quarter of a chopped onion. And like I said, I'm just making it with 3 avocados right now, so this is the measurements for that. Easy peasy. And like I said, guacamole, avocado are really good things that are on the keto diet. And I just, like with everything, I'd rather under-season at the beginning than over-season. You can put chopped tomatoes in here. I'm kind of off tomatoes right now. So normally I do put chopped tomatoes in here, but the last couple of weeks when I bought tomatoes, they just didn't taste fresh. So I'm preferring not to use them right now. Do you want to grab the chips, Bill?
Yeah.
So are you going to taste it, or Eric?
Eric.
Look at that. So easy to make. Such a good little, the accent for all your Mexican food, for chips and salsa. You have underwear on. You cannot do this right now.
You wanted me to taste it.
Don't worry, I'll frame it.
Tell me if it needs anything. Yeah, go up. He's got underwear and a fucking t-shirt on. Jesus
I don't think I
Christ.
can go low
We're
enough.
watching UFC right now, so we're having a lazy. How's it? Do I need anything?
Do something.
Like what?
Make a different one.
I put lemon in it.
Maybe that's it.
You like it?
I don't know if that's a thing.
Say it!
No.
Why?
I don't know. It's weird.
It's the lemon maybe
She's
for you.
hungover.
I am hungover.
Maybe don't put some pants on it.
Don't change the recipe when you make good shit. My recommendation for a cooking show.
I think it tastes really good. You know what it is? You like I put a lot of garlic in it.
I like more garlic.
This tastes good.
Oh, yeah?
Well, you can kiss my ass. I think they just want to find things that I do wrong. You don't like guac, do you? Where's he at?
You just asked me if I liked it.
We're not going to drag this show out.
Okay. So this is guacamole. He didn't like it. That's
That's
more
better.
for me. It's good for you on keto. My update for keto, I'm down for it. Just behave me. Okay. This house is too fun sometimes. So
Why is your asshole so dirty? Do you not wipe?
this is guacamole, keto. The next recipe is going to be a keto margarita, a skinny keto margarita. We'll share that with you in episode 28. Thank you so much for joining us again today. Don't forget to like, comment, share.
Right.
Subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you.